What's in my bag? Okay. Hi, Phoenix. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the question. Hello. Okay, you asked for it, so this is going to be a long one because there's a lot of what's in my bag. We're doing what's in my bag, both of our bags. Andrew's going to go first. I'm going to go last.
So, okay, I'm a minimalist. I don't carry that much. I kind of consolidate everything. So here's the bag. First thing I carry is a wallet, a card holder. I carry a few wallets because a lot of different things. So this is item number 1. I'll put it back in otherwise. Item number 2 is my Goyard, what is it called, Senet?
Senet pouch,
Yeah, in which I carry a lot of things because it's very messy. I have a car key. I have my other big wallet. Oh, by the way, I like getting all my Goyard stuff monogrammed because it shows it's mine and it's, if you know, you know. It's
also, this matches your handles.
And the reason why I have a second wallet is I travel quite a bit, and this particular wallet, here, it's not, you can't really put cash in it. So this one, I have pounds and USD, because you always have to have cash in it. And I'm going to monogram this one too because I feel almost horrible that I have something that is not monogrammed. It is absolutely against my principles. If you are out there in the world carrying a Goyard item without your damn initials on it, you are nothing! Nothing!
Goyard loves him. Okay, anyway.
I carry Tums in here because I always have to poopy. And, anything. And then, also I carry my doggy's pills. Because in case, I'm somewhere and he needs pills. And the lock that goes on the bag, I carry that. And that's it. It's quick.
Okay, mine's quite long, so boring. Stay tuned. Okay, so I usually have my Hermes dust bag in case I need the dust bag wherever I am. If I need to, put it down and I don't have my little thing, or if I have it just to protect it, or if I want to keep it hidden, or when I go to the airport. But right now I have a Goyard one, but that's Goyard dust bag. Okay.
That's insurance.
This is insurance. I don't know what that's. But there is a lot in here. There's way too much. It's very, very stuffed. So I will try to go through it really quickly, but it might be a little bit of a journey.
You use the bag for what it should be used for.
Yeah. So my laptop is always in here, in the back. I have this Goyard pouch with cash in it and change. Oh my god, this is gonna get so messy. All right, I have napkins. I think I am like a mom. I'm a mom of no kids. My rain jacket in case it rains in LA. Masks because spoons in case I'm hungry. I got tea, snacks, energy powder, wet wipes. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Nice. I have this pouch which has all my chargers for my phone, my computer in case I need. I have my glasses case with a little spray, my little hand cream.
Oh, you were talking about your little Gucci pouch.
Yeah, my Gucci pouch, whatever. I have my wallet, which I keep protected, also monogrammed, twinsies. And this has some money in it too. I have this Moña pouch that I just got. This has all my it has more, it has tissues. It has my nasal spray. It has inhaler, lip balm, those kind of things, all those kind of things, which is what I'm using it for right now, and I love it. Then I have a notepad and some pens. I have more tea. I have some, this is samples of facial products in case I need it. Another charger, this Hermes lip balm that he got me that I still have not opened.
It's so good.
Candy, jewelry, never know, another necklace that's just kind of David German necklace is just hanging out here. Keys, more keys. Oh my god, a little Goyard ticket. Huh? This is a little Goyard? Okay, bye. I also have it in this little organizer. I have an organizer within. I have 2 organizers in here because this fell off. I have 2 organizers in here because I have the bigger kind of organizer for when it's a tote, and then I have the accordion type of organizer for when you close it. But I just decided to use both of them because there's so many pouches, and they love these organizers. This is not an endorsement for them, but they're amazing. They're from Jenny Crafts. You guys should go check it out. She is amazing, and I have a Shopaholique.
Your key thing is right there.
It is. Oh, I've been looking for this. Oh my god, this is my little change purse and my mailbox key. So that's in there too.
For it.
Oh, and then some more lip balm. Oh, I have nasal. This is so good. Vicks for my nose. My AirPods. I have another one of this.
I said you had
AirPods. AirPods, which I was actually looking for too. But yes, Jenny Crafts, you should go check her out. It's Shopaholique is this discount code for 15% off if you want her stuff. Anyway, okay, that's all. There's still more in here. I'm see, if I take this out, there's another layer underneath. Another set of keys. AirPod in case it gets lost. Another mask.
Air tag.
Oh, air tag. My little thing for my lock, which is up here right now. Which I got these on my right now. I got this munchkin. Wait, I had a little Dior thing. It fell off.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway.
On the floor.
So if I take this out, so that's one organizer that still has stuff in it.
I do a G.
See, and then this organizer, and then I have a base shaper too for the bottom. And that's what's in my bag, and this is, oh my god, almost 6 minutes. Hi, Chai. Also, Chai can go in my bag too. Chai, you want to get in my bag? Can I put you in my bag? No, okay. You don't want to go in my bag. Can I go in my bag?